Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into a topic that's important for every dental professional. Choosing the right air rotor for your practice, depending upon different clinical scenarios. So let's explore how to select the best one and keep it running smoothly. Now let's talk about the Waldent LED Airotor. As you can see, it has a LED light for proper illumination. It has a high quality design. It has a compatibility with two Walden type ear connector, and it can be easily used and easily maintained and sterilized. It has an effective cooling system as it has a triple water spray. Let's come to the Waldent Disposable Airotor. As you can see, it has triple water spray, sterilized and safe packaging, ergonomic design, compatibility with again two Walden connector, and this is a disposable one. So you can use it for 5 hours and also helps in the infection control. The third air rotor that I'm talking about is Waldent Tesla Airotor. It is made up of titanium. It has precision at very high speed. The speed goes from 3,80,000 to 4,80,000 RPM. So it is a high speed air rotor, reduces chairside time and also helps in the fast and prompt treatment. So there is enhanced patient satisfaction. As you can see, the design is ergonomic. Cooling is very efficient with a quattro water spray and it can be easily sterilized. So finally you got your perfect air rotor. You can choose multiple air rotors. If you go and check online, there are multiple air rotors that are available. If you have got any air rotor tips or stories, we would love to hear them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content. Just like it. Until next time, keep smiling.